Hello there. My name is Babu G. Coco is asleep right now, so I am going to be talking to you about meditation. Now, what is meditation? Some people believe that meditation is a pathway to abilities that some consider unnatural, such as teleportation. These people are misguided. The only true way to achieve teleportation is through editing. That is much better. Now we are in a much better setting to discuss meditation. So many people discount meditation because they associate it with religion. Even I did the same thing as a child. Now you may think that I am religious based on how I look, and that is called stereotyping, which I am fine with because it is not an offensive stereotype. Anyway, as I was saying, meditation is not a religious act. Meditation is a process of taking control of your mind and clearing out the rubbish. It's like when your Windows PC starts to run really slowly. There is too much going on, or maybe you have some malware or viruses from certain websites you have been visiting. Arey, shame on you, very naughty. Always use an ad blocker, okay? Always use an ad blocker. Except for my channel. When your computer is overloaded, sometimes you just need to reboot. Just reboot the system and everything will be better. Just like that. Meditation is like rebooting the Windows within yourself. Now isn't that refreshing? Now that we know what meditation is, let us go over some of the meditation techniques. True meditation can be difficult to achieve. This is because our minds are very active. Unless, of course, you are someone who watches the Jersey Shore. Those people most likely have nothing going on in their minds. Now, in order to meditate, you need to control your breathing and think about nothing. Now, you may be wondering, how can one think about nothing? And to this day, even I do not completely understand how. Regardless, sit back in a chair, breathe, and just observe the world around you. Feel the air brushing up against your arm hair. If you do not have arm hair, then I am very sorry. You are missing out. The feeling just gives me such a rush. Listen to the sounds around you. You can be in silence, or you can use meditation music. Just continue to breathe and observe everything around you. And eventually, your mind will stop thinking about the YouTube suggestion algorithm and why it is not suggesting your videos that are very underrated, or why your Tinder game is trash. Obviously, I'm not speaking about myself because my Tinder game is fantastic, very good. Ladies love a wise man, and I am very wise. Now, another thing that you may have noticed is that when people meditate, they keep their hands like this. Now, there is a meaning behind this. Every finger symbolizes something. Your thumb symbolizes yourself. The index finger symbolizes what you want to be one with. This may be God, if you believe in that sort of thing. Or if you're like me, it may be the YouTube algorithm. You want to get as close as you can to the YouTube algorithm. Now, the last three fingers, they symbolize the things you want to avoid in life, such as YouTube vloggers, flat earthers, TikTok videos, or any number of other terrible things. Now you should understand the basics of meditation. I encourage you to go try it for yourself. Let me know in the comments below, what do each one of your fingers symbolize to you? Also, if you want more videos like this from me, Babu G. Otherwise, till next time, never share your password. Mima Swabha.